Alright, I think I'm about done. Well, done for now. Let's see. Issues are the front drive. I haven't messed with that yet, which is probably going to be a big headache. But hydraulics are, well, they're basically rigged for now, but they work. And it'll allow me to move some earth. Everything is really looking good. Surprisingly good. And then the old RPM gauge probably just snapped or caused the old. I put an old cable back in thinking maybe it would work, but it doesn't, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. But all the other gauges are good, definitely better than the old lights. Steering is smooth, it's brand new shit. I don't know about the seal. So far so good. I'm gonna start moving some earth with it now and see just how well it holds up. But I think it's gonna be just fine. And considering what I've got in it, well, the man hours was the biggest thing. It should do well. Let's see, other issues that got fixed are when they put the front end loader on, the bracket that works the left brake got switched right here. Kind of hard to see. And when they took it apart to put the front end loader on, gravity just caused it to spin down. So it was hooked up backwards. So I had to pull out the pins on the other side in order to spin it back around to the right side. Not too many other little things. Steering was the biggest issue. And there's a little difference, like the fenders here from the Beaver. There's like it's maybe a 1/4 inch gap on that one side there that I had to put a spacer in. But I mean, overall, it should continually run for another decade, I think. As long as we take care of it a little bit, pamper it. Alright, well, that's it. S470D buck with a Beaver hood. Okay.